Hello guys, in this video, we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up your Omnisend Action Automation for workflows. This is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your Omnisend account, and more importantly, execute actions right from your workflow. So let's get started. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app, Omnisend. There you go. You click on it. You go at install. You select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. Continue. Allow and install. You choose the plan. You confirm. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. So you come here, you click on it, you make sure it's copied, and you switch back to the agency view in order to create a custom menu link. So in order to create it, you come down here at settings and then custom menu links. Create new. You have to fill this form. So you start by selecting an icon for your custom menu link. You come here, you type a name for your custom menu link. How do you want to name your custom menu link? By the way, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. I'm going to show you later. You paste the custom menu link URL that you copied. When you're done, just scroll down, select an account where you want all your tools to be available. You can go for sub account one. When you're done here, you can select whether it's an user or all the users you want to give access to all the information. When you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to a sub account in order to connect the tool to your Omnisend account. In order to do it, we look for the custom menu link that we created. We have Greg Apps here. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg Apps. So if you guys name your custom menu link, let's say my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Greg apps, and connected apps. Then we search for Omnis. It doesn't pop up here. It means it's already connected. So let's go ahead and connect the apps. There you go. We have Omnis. So let's pretend that Omnisend is still at the apps available and we want to set it out. So how do we go about it? Just come here at setup, and there is a credential required in order to get the installation going, which is to provide the API key. But before we go any further, you can read how to get your API key. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue showing you how to get that key. But let's do it together. So let's switch to our Omnisend account. Here we are. Inside Omnisend, we come here at the drop down. We go at the store settings, and then we go at API keys. We can create API key. You type in name, a key. Come here, create API key. Already created, and there you go. We have the API key. So we make sure it's copied. We switch back, paste, and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected to our Omnisend account, and we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our Omnisend platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. You have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up, and thank you for watching.